This video, I'm not actually going to teach you how to do anything, it's just simply to follow on from the previous one, when I showed you how to expand and then simplify. In what we call if you're doing Key Stage 3, a Level 7 question, or this is a typical Grade C question at GCSE. So, you can have either a go at these 4 normal ones, or these 3 harder ones. Just be aware these are particularly hard, and you're not that likely to get anything quite as difficult, especially as number 3 in an exam, but it's good practice nonetheless. So if you pause the video now, try the ones that you want to, play the video, and I'll go over the answers for them. So here are the normal answers. For the first one was 22 plus 5t once you collected all the terms after expanding. The second one, you had 14 plus 3g. Be really careful with that one with the negatives. Number 3, it was 6e plus 20. And number 4, there's a lot more terms in this one. So it's 4m's plus 2mps and then plus 3p. So once you collected it, you should have been able to collect these 3 terms there. Right, so let's try the harder one. So the harder ones, check your answers again. So for number 1, you should have had 6t squared plus 13t. Number 2, if you've done it all correctly, being really careful about the negatives in this one, especially when it's minus 2k multiplied by minus 4k to get this plus 8k squared. You should have had 14k squared in total minus 3kp. And please remember, if you put pk, it still is correct. It's just a good habit and good maths to write in alphabetical order. Number 3, particularly difficult. Again, it's got the trick with the negatives, but it was minus 6r squared plus 8r cubed, or a good mathematician would write it the other way round because it looks nicer. If we can help it, we don't like starting with negatives, but either one is correct. So 8r squared is positive, it's positive here. Minus 6r squared, it was negative here. So both of these are exactly the same. So hopefully you've watched the previous video, you've had a go, and now you're happy that you've got it correct. If that still hasn't worked, please go back to your teacher and ask for a little bit more help.